Welcome to Singing with Ron. One concept that semi-occluded vocal tract exercises helps me to teach my students is the idea that as you're singing, it's a steady stream of air. And so when you're doing semi-occluded vocal exercises, zzz or keeping the airflow steady teaches you how to sing with support and not by pushing air. So, the exercise that I do the most is getting people to use Star Wars. So, so that was me using a steady flow of air, or that was me pushing air in various spots in order to make, well, it just doesn't work well. And it made me tense down here. So, that all came from here, and the stream was steady. There was an idea in there that I'm forgetting at the moment that I had halfway through doing the zzz. What was it? Zzz. Legato. So legato is the past tense of the verb to bind, and in Italian, so it's bound. So one sound is bound to the next sound. I have often walked down this street before. I have often walked down this street before. If I do that with support and a steady stream of air, I have often walked down the street before, but the pavement always stayed beneath my feet before. Legato and the steady stream of air are linked together, and is really what singing comes down to. So, give that a try and really work hard on that, because your singing will improve immensely by just thinking about using a steady stream of air.